Hello, hello, friends. Welcome back. It is Deanna at the Blushing Mint, and I still have a mess on my desk. Yes, I do. Thank you guys for joining me, and thank you for putting up with this chaos here. So I am just picking up where I left off from the last video. I did this policy style closure center of the signature envelope with you guys, and I only got one done in my hour and 15-minute video. Are you kidding me, friends? And so I just am picking up where I left off, and I need to do this one here, and I'm going to show you. Basically, the process is exactly the same, but like I share with you guys, I show you process videos. This one is going to become a pocket, more than likely in the center of the signature. It's going to sit in the center like this, get sewn in here. This is just going to be a fun flip element. I'll probably have a pocket maybe on both sides here, and then this is going to get glued to our other page, and this is going to become a large pocket here. Now, I chose a picture image from Edith Holden piece of paper that I want to use as my image through my window. Now, I thought I may leave the top open so it could still be a pocket, or it could be a side pocket. So that's the question that I have for my own self. I'm going to use this piece of paper. This is going to be my page. This will be what the center looks like. This is going to be what the pocket looks like. Only because hold the phone, friends. Just hold the phone. Yeah, that's going to cut. Yeah, it is. This is how it's going to be. All right. But do I want it to be a side load pocket? Do I want it to be a top load pocket? That's the question, because it depends on how I glue this in and set this, that it matters. And it does matter. I think I'm going to go ahead and do it as a top load pocket. So that means I would glue here, here, and here on my envelope. I'm going to set my envelope in there carefully on my page, and then I'm going to glue all of this here. So this is what it needs to look like, friends, when I am gluing. Don't glue the top. Do not glue the top. Glue this side edge here. Okay. The bottom here. The inside edge of my envelope here. Okay. Just going to glue this down here because I don't need any of this coming apart on me. Okay. And then I'm going to carefully set my paper, set my envelope on my paper, not my paper. Do I want to set my paper to my envelope? I don't know, friends. I don't know. Okay. Then I have a top pocket here. Now I can go ahead and I can glue the rest of this. I could have done this all at the same time, but sometimes I just don't trust myself. And it would have been my luck if I would have needed to move something a little bit. This edge would have adhered faster than the other one. So, you know, I just try to help myself the best way I possibly can. That's all. That's all, friends. That's all I'm doing. Okay. All right. Now I am going to cut this. Here. Like so. Dun, 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 dun. I hope you guys really are doing good. I know this is a different day than my last video, even though I just talked to you guys, but I needed to just keep going, and I did not want to clean up my space and come back with a different video because this is my process, friends. I share with you my process. Okay. Lovely. Okay. Now, I realize that this is going to be the pocket. And so so this is going to be my flip. This is going to be a pocket here up top. Now, I have this extra space here. It's all covered. It is fully covered. Gosh, my lights are crazy. My lights are giving me some crazy vibes here. But this isn't as interesting. Let me grab the journal. Okay, so this is the signature, okay, that it's going to go in. So it's going to look like this. We're going to collage this. This is going to be the flip here around these corners, I would think. And then this is going to get attached to here, and this is going to become a large pocket. So I feel like what I want to do here is I want to decorate. This is where the edge of my book page was. I don't know if you can see that. This is where the book page folded. So I want to do something different here, maybe with collage of some sort. So let us find this is a gorgeous image. Let's see. Let's look in this stuff here. I didn't have a plan, friends. I did not have a plan. I just am coming to you with the chaos. That's how I roll. Ooh, ever so slightly short there. This is perfect size-wise. What do I have? I don't want it to be too clashy. I don't dislike this, but is it too similar to my paper? No, I don't dislike that. Okay. Sorry, friends. Like I tell you, this these are my processes. This is why I bring you along. And again, this is a Junk with Steph Pop of Color kit that is no longer available. And I'm sad about that because I had printed it a couple different times and I've used it in a couple different things and I do love it. And I'm sorry that it's not available to you guys. I'm sorry for that. I really am. Okay. And FYI, I still have not found my my thing that flew off of my cutter. It just flew off and I have no idea where it is. I'll find it with my finger later, I'm sure. But that was the weirdest thing. It flew off in the last video somewhere and I never heard it. I never saw it. I don't know what happened to it, friends. It was weird. So yeah. So anywho, hope you all are good. Hope y'all are doing great. I don't know what day you'll see this video. I really don't. Okay, I'm just gonna do it, friends. Right, wrong, or indifferent, I'm going with it. And it's gonna be what it will be. Okay, I need to ink this edge though because that is why. Oh, hi Cooper, are you coming to see me? Come on, buddy. You can come see me. Can you not get through the door? Is it too tight? Come on. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Have you been outside sunbathing? You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Yeah. Sorry, Cooper came to visit. He has been sunbathing at the hot tub. Not in the hot tub, on top of the hot tub. Let's just refresh that so y'all don't think my dog's in the hot tub and then I'm really crazy. I mean, I know I'm crazy, but I'm not that crazy. That is his favorite place to sunbathe. It's warm underneath and then he gets the sun on top and he does love to sunbathe on the hot tub. He does, my sweet boy. And now it's time for his afternoon nap. Okay. Yes, friends, that is lovely. If I do say so myself. And of course, I always tell myself how lovely things are because you're your biggest cheerleader, friends. I mean, I could be your biggest cheerleader too if you ever needed one because I'm a great cheerleader. But truly, you need to be your own biggest cheerleaders. You really do. It's very good for your soul to be your own biggest cheerleader. So I tell myself all the time, when I think something works out great, I let myself know. Lovely. That is gorgeous. Okay. Woo, this is cute. All right, friends. Now, inside, I think I want this to go in the center. So what I want to do is I want to measure this. And it is like 3/8. 3/8 of an inch. This is going to be hard to cut because I'm not good at this. That's a half. Ugh, sorry, friends. This is hard. This is hard for me, measuring with my crooked eye. It's hard for me. It's hard. It's hard. See how I did. See how I did, friends. See how I did. Well, look at me go. Look at me go, friends. Oh, my goodness. Okay. All right. I do love to use these envelopes for the centers of the signatures. Sometimes centers of the signatures are hard for me to come up with different ideas and different things to do. I do envelopes. I do my own vintage envelopes a lot in the centers of my signatures. And so it's hard sometimes for me to come up with unique ideas for the centers of the signatures. And I did this style on a journal, and I don't remember what journal it was. In fact, I had to go back and look through my old, because I've sold the journal or given it away or something, I don't know. And so I had to go back and look through my own flip through videos because I knew that I had done it. I just couldn't remember how or which journal it was in. So I had to do that so I could remind myself how to do this or how I did it. So yeah. So that was fun. I got to go back through some old videos looking. All right. Now, oh my goodness, friends, guess what I just found? I just found it. I just found it, friends. Oh, good. I can get rid of this one. Look at me go. I found it. It was, I still don't know how I didn't know that it was gone, but okay. Found it, friends. All right. Anywho, okay. Covering this envelope. That's my goal. My goal, friends, was to cover this envelope. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. All right. And next. Okay, this is going to be a pocket. So rightfully, it does not need to be, covered. But because it is going to be a pocket, no, I don't think I need to even reinforce this edge here. This is pretty sturdy. So I think it's going to be just fine as it is. It does not need to be covered or anything like that. I got some. Yeah, nope, that's perfect. Okay. So all I need to cover is this front here. This. Okay. Had to get myself set straight, friends. I had to set myself straight as to what I needed to be doing here. These are papers from the last one that I did. And I like that there. So let's go ahead and do that there. And tear ruler. Okay. I don't have to be quite as concerned with being able to see papers through that through the edge of the window, because you don't see the back side of the window because it's a pocket. It's a pocket, friends. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. I love these. I really do. I love how they're unique. They're just unique. Okay, I need a different page. I need a different page. A different page is calling me with this. A blue or a green. Floral might be too much. I don't dislike that, so I'm going to do that. I'm just going to square this off because I didn't cut it. I didn't rip it straight. Okay. Sorry, talking to myself, friends. Talking to myself, it's what I do. And then okay, let's just do this. Oh. Okay. All right, then I need to go across the side, top, down the side, across the top, down the side, around the corner, swing, bada bada. I have, you guys, sorry, this is my brain. I'm just saying. Bless my soul, friends. Bless my soul. I am telling you, some days I have so many things in my brain right now that I need to be doing, but of course I want to be crafting, and I want to be giving you guys something to watch while I'm gone, and I am gone for over a week, friends. Actually, I'm gone for almost 2 weeks if I don't take a minute to come out here to the shed to create for you before I leave again to go back to Billings. So let me just remind you if you didn't watch my last video on these. So today is Monday, the 1st of April. Today is Monday, the 1st of April. I am home. I am leaving in the morning, the 2nd of April, to go to Billings, to my daughter's to help her with my nephew. And I have to meet the bug guy in Billings because we have her house sprayed twice a year. And so that has been on the schedule. So I have to meet him tomorrow and at her house because she, of course, she works during the day, and they, of course, only work during the day. So, yes, so I'm off to meet him. And then, that's crooked as all get out, but friends, it's fine. It is what it is. And then, I am flying out. Okay, so then I'm there until, quite frankly, I don't know if it is Thursday, if I'm there until Thursday or Friday. That has yet to be determined. Okay, sorry. I get so lost in my own thinking. So that has yet to be determined if I'm there until Thursday or Friday. Then, or Friday morning, because my husband and I fly out to Arizona on Friday afternoon, mid-afternoon. So, yes. Then I'm gone to Arizona. We fly home on Monday afternoon. And then I fly. And then I go back to Billings on Tuesday. And I'm in Billings Tuesday through Friday. And then I will be home again on Friday, I believe, for a short period of time. I think maybe I'll be home for the weekend. So, anywho, so I'm gone for basically from tomorrow until the following Friday, like the 12th. So, yeah. I feel like I have no time, friends. I feel crazy. I kind of feel crazy I kind of feel a bit crazy in my life right now. I don't know, friends. I just put that glue down and then I completely changed my mind on if I liked what I was doing or what I was looking at. And now I'm stressed myself out. Okay. I don't know. I'm going with this because all the green in the background made me feel like maybe I wanted some green. So I'm just going to go with it, even though I didn't try it on I didn't audition it. I did not audition this page. Oh, that's scary. I just ran with it. I ran with it like I knew what I was doing, and I didn't. I didn't have a clue if that's what I wanted to do, but it's what I'm doing now because it's done, friends. It's attached with no forethought. Ugh. Bless my soul, friends. Scary crafting. Scary crafting. Okay. But I like it. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. All right. Now I just need a piece here. This should not be this complicated, but it is, friends, because it's me. And I don't know if I love that. I don't think I do. Shoot, friends. Okay. Maybe I like that. Okay. My goal is I don't want to take away from the picture in the back. Okay, I'm just going to do this. Because, oh, here I am, 30 minutes in already, friends. See, this is what happens. This is what happens to me, friends. With collage, I just think too much. I think I just think too much. Oh gosh, who's calling me? Oh, my mom is calling me. I'll talk to her in a minute. I'm so close to finishing. I'll talk to her in a minute. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. I love you, but I'll talk to you in a minute. I hate it when my phone is buzzing and I'm not talking to people that I want to talk to. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm so close to being done, Mom. Forgive me. She will, because she's my mom. She will always forgive me. She might not love me all the time. No, she will always love me, but she might not like me. So, sorry, Mom. Yes, that's a rule. She will always love me, but she might not like me. I admit it. And that's okay. Well deserved. Okay. All right, friends, I'm going to make this a snack bite video showing you how I did this little envelope here. And I'm grabbing a signature here. So this is a flip here. We have a pocket here, top load pocket. We can add pockets here or a pocket here. And then it is the center of a signature, and it will lay in the signature like so. It will get sewn in here. This is just going to be a flip pocket. That's it. And then this is going to get glued here and here, and we'll have a large side pocket here. So this is what you can do with your junk mail window envelopes. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, it turned out beautiful, friends. So I hope that you will try this. I hope that this process of showing you the way that I do things and how you can use them really helps you and gives you ideas for those centers of the signatures. So friends, thanks for joining me. Thanks for being here. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to comment below and tell me what you think of it. If you're going to use it, if you've ever tried it, if you've done it your way, comment below and let me know. And until I see you guys in the next video, friends, please take care, be well, and I will chat with you all again real soon. Bye-bye, friends.